Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on XVG. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently XVG has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and after that we had a very nice rally. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos. And after the breakout, we had a very powerful pump, and the price line is rejected by this long-term resistance line that starts from 1.5 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. If I highlight this area, then it will be more visible for you and easy to understand this resistance. You can see that previously we had several bounces from this support. It was working as a very nice support for several months. And after the breakdown, since after the month of January 2022, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejected here. And now recently the price and is once again rejected here as well. By the way, here we also have another quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. And if the price then breaks out this resistance on, then again, we will have another resistance, this uptrend line resistance. And the price then will also need to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared, by the way, on 19th of November 2024. And so far, this signal has produced almost 37% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that XVG was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, and the sell target on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, the price then dropped down, completed the final leg, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and the price then rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 37% pump. Before that, we got almost 31% pump in the same month of November. On 18th of November 2024, I shared this move, and this was the bullish candle pattern that XVG formed on a 1-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, buying zone, sell target zone, and below this support, below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone within few moments. You can watch this move. You can see that how nicely it moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XVG, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it was moving inside this wedge. We broke it out, and after the breakout, the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0045. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and for several months, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. And after the breakout from this wedge, again, it worked as a strong resistance. And after retesting the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as support, the price and geared up and rallied up to this long-term resistance line. That starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. That was previously breaking as a support down here, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong and long-term resistance line. We got rejection here and rejection here as well. By the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and now in order to continue this rally, we will need to break out this resistance line. Recently, the pricing is, by the way, bounced very well from this support of 1 cent that was previously breaking as a resistance here. You can see that despite this long spike, the price and could not break it out. And here it was also breaking at the resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price then has tested this 1 cent support here. And again, testing the support here and gearing up from the support of 1 cent. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But the price then still did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target will be here at the top of the bed. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.